What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, that way you never miss a future upload. Shein actually reached out and wanted to do a little like Valentine's Day collaboration with me and my lover, but unfortunately Shein doesn't have plus size men's clothing, so I reached out to my brother and said, brother, will you be my lover for this video? That is disgusting. But really, I asked him if he would be a little like male model. He picked out a few things, I picked out a few things, and we are here to show them to you today. Unfortunately, he couldn't be like here, like right now with me today, so I had him try on his clothing the other day at his house, and I went over there and tried to get some video footage of him in the clothing. That was a task. The house was so dark, the dogs were everywhere, he was a hot mess, my camera wasn't focusing, I was getting so frustrated, so the footage might not be the best, but you guys will get the idea. Please remember, for Shein, every single piece of clothing on the site has a different size chart, so please check that. I always keep my details, like my height, my weight, my measurements, in the description box. I will also keep his measurements in the description box as well. And I also have a coupon code that you guys can use. I don't make anything off of it. It's just to save you money. Nicole A15, and it'll save you an extra 15% off. All right, let's get into this video. I think what I'm gonna do is show my pieces first, and then I'll put him at the end. We'll finish off with Matt. So the first thing is actually what I'm wearing, and it is this half white, half black, super, super stretchy top. I love this top. I actually already have a picture of me wearing it on Instagram. I posted that maybe about a week ago. You guys, I'm all about this like half and half like splice trend, all about it. So this is the first item that I got, and I actually cut the tag off that had the size on it, so I'll put the size that I got up here on screen. The next item that I got is my favorite item of this entire haul. It is just so pretty. It's this black long sleeve top, but the sleeves are a see-through material with pearls on them. This is so beautiful. I love the V-neck, I love the sleeves, I love the fit of it. The actual body is stretchy, which is so nice. The sleeves, however, are not, but they are very roomy. I picked this one up in a 3X, and I'm definitely gonna check the site to see if they have other colors because I love this. All of this clothing, by the way, that I'm showing you today is kind of like Valentine's Day inspired, I would say. Even if you just want to like be casual, or if you want to get a little bit more dressed up, I have something for everyone. So this next thing is one of the more casual items. It's this really pretty like blush color, kind of like a mauve-y blush color, and it's a waffle knit, super soft turtleneck. I love this. It's so comfortable, so roomy. I mean, I almost fell just standing there. So comfortable, so roomy. The neck isn't too tight to where I feel like I'm like choking. It's just absolutely perfect. Very stretchy material, and I picked this up in a 3X as well. I picked up a black bodysuit, and it's kind of like that faux wrap style bodysuit. It is long sleeve, super stretchy. It's almost made of that like scuba material. I don't know what it's called. I, on this one, wish I would have sized down to a 3X. I picked this up in a 4X. Super stretchy, but I feel like this like crossover part just has too much material. But if I remember right, the model, it kind of looked like that as well. It made it look like it wasn't like a bodysuit because there was so much fabric up here. It was just a little bit more like roomy and flowy. So I don't know, just for my personal taste, I feel like I would have sized down, but still super cute, and I will definitely wear this. Next up is a dress, and it is such a pretty dress. When I saw the top half, I was like, ooh, add to cart. Love. It is this like maroon color, super flowy like swing dress, but the top has this see-through mesh action going on with some lace like ribbon and some lace frillies. I love this dress, and it is so comfortable. It's not form-fitting at all, so it's, like I said, more of a swing dress, like flowy style. Hits me right at the perfect length. It does have a zipper so you can get it over your head. For me, I got a big old head, and I had to unzip it to get it over, but I love this dress. I picked this one up in a 3X, and it is not made of a stretchy material. Last item is another dress, and it's a black and white like plaid looking spaghetti strap dress. This one is more form-fitting, but still not like too tight. It does have a zipper going up the back, and this is made of like almost like a denim feeling material. I really need to learn my materials so I sound a little bit more educated when I do these videos. You would think that I would have learned after doing these videos for years, but I haven't. Oh, it's 25% cotton, 75% polyester, but it feels like that thin, like fake jean material. And what size is it in? That would be nice to know. I got this in a 4X and it is not a stretchy material. Oh, also the straps are adjustable, so keep that in mind. Moving on to the men's clothing. This is my brother's portion. Time for him to shine and be a star. I've had his clothes in my car for a very long time, so they're a little bit wrinkly, so ignore that. But the first thing that he picked out was this top. Has all the primary colors, but I actually really liked it. It's just a button up. It's not made of a stretchy material. It almost has the feel of like windbreaker material, but almost like it's like part windbreaker material, not full. He got this in a size medium and I thought it fit him really well. I really liked this one a lot. He got another button up in a size medium as well, and it's this like half and half like multi-print top, but he got this in a size medium also and it would not fit at all. Like he couldn't even get it on. So this is a prime example of please make sure you're ordering clothes from Shein based off of your measurements and not by size. So this is what it looks like though. I actually really like this one as well. This sleeve is like flannel material, super pretty. I love like this mismatched print and I like the color combo as well, but didn't quite fit him, but I will still link it. The next one I laughed so hard when he tried them on, like uncontrollably hard. These are some jeans he ordered and they fit him perfectly. Like we were both like so surprised how they fit, but the distressing just made them look like women's jeans. So I feel like if they had no distressing, like he would have been fine. But these are the jeans, like I said, fit him perfectly. It's just that that light wash right there and the distressing, it was a hot mess. But super stretchy, which is great. He picked these up in a size 32. Then he got some really like fun gray drawstring pants. They're almost like a pinstripe, like plaid look. And I feel like these could be dressed up or down. It's made of like kind of a fancier material, but super stretchy waist. He got these in a size medium as well, and I thought they fit him really well. For those of you who are just staying in on Valentine's Day, he got a 2-piece pajama set. I have no idea where the bottoms went, but just picture this same exact material as PJ bottoms. It's just a long sleeve, black waffle knit pajama bottom. And he really liked them. I thought they fit him perfectly. He thought they fit him perfectly as well. He picked this set up in a size medium as well. For some reason, he really liked this hoodie, and it's a lightweight hoodie. It's not like that typical sweatshirt material. It's more of like a super stretchy, thin, like t-shirt material, but it's this forest green with this little logo. He paired this actually with a black jacket, and I thought it looked really nice. But it's just a super lightweight hoodie. And he got this in a size large. All right, last but not least, he got a button up, and this is like a green corduroy material button up. He really liked this one. I thought it fit him super well, and he got it in a size large. All right, you guys, that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Kind of fun to do a little something different every now and again and have other people in my videos. I kind of want to start doing that more often, but actually like plan ahead and have them come over here so everything just looks like it's a cohesive video. I apologize for those crappy clips, but at least you got to see the dogs, am I right? Please don't forget to check that description box for all the good stuff before you go, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.